Alright. And I'm back once again. Okay, so we did the crab leg. Let's do some of this shrimp right here.
You know, this can act as a knife right here, Cam.
Huh?
This can act like a knife in there, pushing it out.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You know, they use that with fork.
Yeah, and you can cut it too.
Uh-huh.
Yep, and this is what that shrimp looks like. Get into that. Put a little more juice on there. There we go. Take the skin off. I can't eat shrimp with the head. Made me feel like I can't look at. Can't look at.
Well, I see why you got an extra leg in there. Crab leg.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of puny. Kind of puny.
Mm-hmm.
Probably why they threw an extra one in there. I don't know.
See that herb? All the juicy sauce, juicy special sauce. Mm-hmm.
Ready?
All right, let's get into this corn. Mm-hmm. You see that corn? Sweet, really sweet. That sauce is everything. I'm sorry. You know what I mean? It's getting all on me, all on my chin. That sauce is everything.
I think you got that beard bone. I think you got that beard bone.
I know.
That one I sold special today for $8.
Oh, goodness.
Get one of these like. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Let me go ahead and dig into this coleslaw. I gotta give me a napkin. Oh. Ooh. Yes, yes. The glasses had to come off. You hear me? Juices would have went everywhere on my Wednesday. Because I mean like a savage. Okay. Now this sausage right here. That's that andouille sausage. I want to make sure I'm saying that right. Yeah, I'm saying it right. All right, and this potato, of course. This is that potato. Nice, big size potato. Not them little bitty ones, it's the big size potato. I pig out when I come here. Just to put it on the table, I pig out. You gotta put the fork down and dip the potato in the sauce.
Her finger.
And get all that sauce, yeah.
After Rob becomes finger.
Oh, yeah. Oh.